Hi, my name is Richard Jackson. I'm the Senior Technical Lead for Geology at Maptek, and today we're going to talk about the theme for this year's Maptek Geology Challenge, Controlled Complexity. With the Maptek Geology Challenge, we're really trying to give people in our industry access to the most cutting edge of geological modelling solutions, while supporting them through making real differences to the way that they do their geological modelling. The geology that we model is often complex, and understanding how we can control that complexity while generating the geological model is really where we find the most value. A geological modelling algorithm doesn't instinctively know about what we're trying to model, so our real value is knowing how we can get all of our information in, whether it's drilling, mapping, structural information, so we can truly make a great model that reflects what's under the ground. Maptek enjoys providing the opportunity for people to solve complex geological problems using the latest software and technology. And we encourage you to join us this year in the Maptek Geology Challenge.